Arm 3, secure the starboard coupling.
Aligning panel 7. Locking sequence initiated.